welcome to my first IGTV video, and today I will be doing an unboxing with Upwords here on Instagram, known as Upboxes. I will tag them in the video in this description, but they are known for giving uplifting and positive message through handcrafted artisan items that come in their monthly subscription box. This month's box is the fall face box, and you'll notice when I got it, it was packed with a buttload of items. Now for the first item I opened already, it's let's see what this is. I think it's a bracelet. Yeah, this one is a little bracelet, fake bracelet. And something here was smelling really good. I don't know what it was, so I'm digging for it right now. And I think it's this candle right here. Yeah, it's this candle. And it's a natural soy wax candle, handmade from the Minted Market. And I noticed a lot of their items do come from Etsy sellers on Etsy.com. I do have an account on there, by the way, so I might be stopping by some of their shops. And the next thing that's in this box is, this is the first time opening everything. So this is a ponytail holder, a cute little ponytail holder. I have plenty of these, but there's nothing wrong with having more. Here's a magnet. Home is where the heart is. Magnet. It's a lot in here. And I think these are the cards that you can hand out to like family or friends or people that you see on the street. They are faith cards with a positive message on the inside. There is a special time for everything message on the inside of each card. So I'm planning on giving these to either some of the church family at church or whoever I've seen that I have seen in a while. I'll give them one of these. Now the thing about their packaging that I do love is the fact that they put a lot of, it's like a lot of little cut up items, little faith and little circle things. I thought it was really cute. Are these matches? I think, yeah, they're matches from the Minted Market on Etsy.com. The candle came from there also, so can't have your candle without the matches, I guess. Let me try to get this back in there. Okay, next item, something just dropped, is the lip butter. I haven't opened this one either, so we're gonna try and get this open. It's a lot of plastic on everything. Now I do have to film this video again, so it's going on YouTube also. So there's gonna be an even extended version on YouTube. Oh wow, this must be made with real cocoa butter. Yeah, natural beeswax, cocoa butter, shea butter, mango butter. Good moisturizer for your lips, especially during fall and winter. Okay, there's a lot more in here. Oh wow. This is from Encouragement on the inside from Upwords. Oh, these are cute. They are designed by buttercups and lattes. These are handmade earrings. There's no earrings. I'll try to get this back in the box. I just put this right there. Now here's another product that also smells good. This is a whipped sugar scrub. A good thing to have if you're trying to get rid of dead skin on you. It's a whip. Yep. Smells really good too. What's in it? Let's see. Sugar, avocado oil, glycerin, and much more. But everything that's in all these handcrafted items are all natural. There's more at the bottom. This is another, I think this is the apple cinnamon one, because they're both apple cinnamon. Sugar scrub. Also, there is a honey vanilla brulee. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. I think it's another candle. I don't know. No, it's not another candle. This has to be all-purpose. It's either a body butter or I think this is just a body butter. Yeah. Okay, now I'm seeing more. I think I've seen some more. Yeah, but their boxes are packed with a lot of good, positive items. Oh wait, I think I see it. It's Home is Where the Heart is. Little tray. And you put your jewelry in. It's an all-purpose tray. I probably use this either to put a candle in or put my jewelry in. But I do like to say thank you to Upwords here on Instagram for letting me review and unbox their boxes. I had a really great time. It did surprise me how much you get in these boxes because you get more than other subscription boxes will give you. But I will link everything in the description box where you can go and check out for yourself and subscribe to their subscription boxes.